Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, make sure that you subscribe, and if you love such videos, click on the bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. So this video is one of the most requested video because most of you were asking me that where do you get party wear and wedding wear dresses at a cheaper price in Bangalore. So that is what I'm going to show you all today. So the location to reach over here is near Safina Plaza. Get down near Safina Plaza, and if you walk a little further, you will find this place called as Fashion Plus Wear, where you get these amazing party wear dresses at a cheaper price. So this is the entrance of the store, and when you get into the store you will find these beautiful gowns and frocks at a cheaper price. So the starting price over here is ₹1000. So you will find all the designer wear dresses at a cheaper price, and this is going to be the replica of it. So just look at this sequence dress. So this is one of the best one in the store. This is just for ₹2000, and where will you get such a beautiful dress for such a cheaper price? And if you want something in a longer length, you will definitely find over here. So the same dress in the other stores, you will get it somewhere around 10,000 to 15,000. And over here they have a lot of collections. If you want, you can also make it customized. So all the frocks and dresses over here are the replica of the designer dresses. So this store is located in the basement. On top of this, there's a hotel called as Hotel High Street. So don't get confused. If you have watched my other video, which is pick anything for just ₹250, this store is right next to that. Do watch the video. If you don't want very blingy and if you want something very simple, then go to this dress. This is an amazing frock. It is a long length sleeveless dress, and this is just for ₹2500, and the prices are also negotiable over here. So all these are modern wear dresses. So if you want something in traditional and party wear, they do have over here. So this is how it looks. So just look at this beautiful blue colored dress. So these dresses are just for ₹2000, and where will you get such a beautiful dress for 2000? And if you want something to be covered and full length, then go to this one. So these are crop tops. So in this you get different collections. So you can wear this sequence crop top to any long skirt, and this looks amazing. So this dress is one of the amazing dress which I've seen over here. It is a floor length and it looks so beautiful once you wear it, and this is just for ₹3200. So don't worry about the price. The prices are negotiable over here. If you bargain, you will get it somewhere around 2800 or 2500, and you also get different colors in this. So this is again the same dress which is in other color, which is red, and this is a body hugging dress. This looks amazing to people who are very tall and thin. So I recommend you guys to visit small stores in any place because they do have a beautiful collection, and the price for this dress is just ₹3000, and I've seen the same dress in other stores and that is for ₹20,000, and that is lots of difference in the price. So this is a one shoulder dress, and this is also a floor length dress. This looks like a fish kind of design. So if you have any parties or any functions, if you are a bridesmaid, make sure that you visit this place and get your beautiful frocks and dresses over here. So this is again the same dress which is in other color. So this one is in green. So they have different colors and you have many options. So if you don't want very blingy, then go to this. This is a beautiful white dress. It is an off-white dress and this looks very classy once you wear it. If you're a bridesmaid, then this is the one. Go for it, and this is just for rupees 2500. And they also have different colors in it. They have black, red, orange, blue, green. And don't worry about size, you get all the size over here. So this size is XXL. And if you want to get it customized, you can easily get it done over here. So just look at this beautiful red frock. I just love it. So here are some other dresses. These are also called as anarkalis, and you can wear it to your weddings, functions. So this is a very beautiful dress. This is just for rupees 2000. So this is a small store, but you get everything over here for a cheaper price, and the quality and the designs, everything is just beautiful. Make sure that you visit the place. So here ends the video. I hope you all love this vlog. We'll meet you soon on the next video. Until then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.